Now to tonight's other big stories. A jury is set to begin deliberating the landmark case of the first parent of a school shooter to face criminal charges for their child's actions. Jennifer Crumbley is charged with 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter after her teenage son killed 4 students at his Michigan high school in November of 2021. CBS's Lilia Luciano was in the courtroom as prosecutors wrapped up their case.
On November the 30th of 2021 at 12:51 p.m., you could have been with him.
I could have, yes.
And you didn't?
No.
During cross-examination today, prosecutors tried to tear apart Jennifer Crumbley's self-described portrayal as an involved parent.
Your son told his only friend that he had asked you for help.
No, I don't deny that.
Okay. And you also don't deny that he told his only friend that you laughed at him.
I do not deny that.
Instead, prosecutors painted her as a woman more concerned with an extramarital affair and hobbies like horses.
In fact, you told a coworker that half of your salary basically goes to the horses.
I might have, yes.
While ignoring her son's cries for help, like a drawing of a gun, chilling messages, and a bleeding body shown to her by school staff just hours before the shooting.
I honestly thought the guy on there was a poor drawing of Batman, the way the thing in the cat. I thought it was a cape. I didn't know.
It was Crumbley's negligence, prosecutors argued, that led to the shooting committed by her then 15-year-old son, Ethan. The parents gifted him the murder weapon just 4 days before the shooting.
The shooter learned how to shoot and was given the murder weapon by his parents.
The defense repeatedly argued that being an imperfect parent does not make her guilty.
Can every parent really be responsible for everything their children do? Especially when it's not foreseeable, and this clearly was not foreseeable to Mrs. Crumbley.
What does the jury need to decide now?
Whether or not, based on all the evidence, that it was reasonably foreseeable for Mrs. Crumbley to think that her son would do this violence. And it's got to be proven beyond a reasonable doubt.
Closing arguments wrapped today, and jurors will be back here on Monday to begin deliberations. Now, if convicted on all 4 counts, Crumbley faces a maximum of 60 years in prison. Norah.
Lilia Luciano, thank you.